Hi guys, today this is the body feather, and also they just grew some more. Did the snowflake just grew or something? I don't know why. I don't know why I'm so mad. What did I even? It was an accident. I didn't mean to do that. Oh yeah, my sister came back. I'm just trying to show everybody the body feather. Sister, didn't know like the snowflake just grew? Oh my god, it did. It definitely did. When I got this body feather, somehow the snowflake just grew.
Well, let me play a little bow
Okay. I know, species. Wait. Oh yeah, wait. Go. Tashi, get the rarest one. Maybe you don't need that. You need this one. What? We get free pop by watching a dumb ad. Bubble frenzy. There's more bubbles. We need 4 pops. Bonus pop reward. I need to pop some more to get another bubble frenzy. And this one. But you can. Okay. Can I do what we got? And we can do this. We're definitely doing this. But that gives us the most. Ooh. Well, I think we got a new reward. We got the bird. We got that red bird.
It's called the Fremo Baltimore Oriole egg.
Oriole egg.
Where is it? Oh, it's up here.
So they might. What? How's Lisa Spearing starting to spawn?
It's because I think I collected so many. A 10% hope? Alright. Okay. This one gives you the most, but I guess we have to do that. We can't do that one because we need those.
Wait, we can do this.
I mean, we can't do this, so we'll just do this instead. Because we only have one of that. Smart me. Just use everything I got.
Can I play?
Okay.
Okay, come on, feed it. Wait, you already fed it? Okay.
How many hours does it take? Okay, not even an hour.
It takes less.
Hey guys, you should also check our posts.
And you should also check our post.
We're posting stuff right now.
Yeah, we're posting stuff.
Post. We're posting stuff. We should get there. So sometimes I feel like most of our posts is about Brookline.
Yeah. Definitely.
Let's just spread it.
Wait, you got one hope?
No. Okay, let me just move that one. Fuse, not move.
So you got holes
and hope. Not the best, it's just only not the greatest. Back to this guy.
You can hear this right now. It's just something on the TV. We have a TV in our bedroom. Wait, it has golden eyes. No, or light green eyes. No, it has light green eyes.
What is this on the TV?
Oh yeah, the last. Don't eat this burrito. We got another 10% weather. Huh? Another 10% weather. Huh?
From the Fox guy.
Yeah, I got it from the Fox guy.
Okay, stop watching on the TV.
I'll do the scratch and distracted. I'm distracted.
Oh, you didn't already got that guy?
Yeah. I was just trying to step on you.
One.
We don't have.
It. Where is YouTube? What you? What? You're so lucky. I only have that. We don't care. I'm going to.
Well, let's see what is that? American goldfinch, the Asian hoop.
I don't know. But whatever. I don't know what to talk about.
What kind?
Okay. Yeah, but I don't know. Okay, I think we should end the video.
Okay, bye.